Hello and welcome to my channel, Sandra's Homespun Life. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you my recipe that is my take on the popular chicken pecan chicken salad sandwich. This is sold at a local restaurant. I'm sure you've seen the ads. I'm going to show you my take on it. It's a wonderful recipe, so stick around. So here are the ingredients that I'll be using today. The ingredients that I'll be using for today's recipe, there is no particular measurement. You just customize it to your taste and how you like it. If there's something in this recipe you don't like, take it out. It won't hurt it a bit. So this recipe is going to come together really quick. In my bowl, I'm going to add my oven roasted chicken chunks, and then I'll be adding the rest of my ingredients. My sliced grapes, my celery, my apple, and my chopped pecans. And using my spatula, I'm just going to stir these up together. And you're going to be surprised by this, but trust your girl. My vanilla yogurt. And I'm just going to eyeball this and add enough to suit the consistency that suits me. So probably about, if I had to guess, maybe a half a cup, maybe a little less. So I'm going to give that a quick stir. And that looks just right for me. So now our chicken salad is already made. So now I'm going to spoon this over onto some bread and fix me a sandwich. Just look at that yummy bread with all those grains. Now I find this bread in the artisan section of the Nature Zone, and they have 2 or 3 different varieties to choose from, and I love their multi-grain. So let's go ahead and get this scooped out. Okay, I'm getting ready to slice into my sandwich and try it out. I do want to add a side note. At the popular restaurant, they serve leaf lettuce on their pecan chicken salad sandwiches. So if you prefer to add that to your sandwich, you can. I don't care for it, so I'm leaving it off. So now I'm ready to have a nice lunch. I hope you've enjoyed today's video, and I thank you for joining me today. Until next time, guys. Bye.